All right, guys, what is going on, everybody? How's everybody's day going today? If your day is going good, that's great. If you're having a bad day, I hope I can cheer it up a little bit, make it a little better. So what I'm doing right now is, in the last ride I did about this, if you're a beginner ride, I act like I was a beginner ride, and I have not rode a motorcycle yet, and it was my first time riding a motorcycle, even though I'm not a beginner ride, I'm a pro rider. I've been riding for 10 years plus. But we're gonna do the same thing today, guys, just to help you guys out. And I saw the last video got a lot of traction on it, so we're gonna do another video like that. And if we could try to break 30 likes is what the last video got, and 1,200 views is what the last video got. So if we try to break that record and get a maybe 5,000 views, and maybe let's go for 130 likes. If we get that, guys, that would be amazing. But I'm just gonna throw a few things out there for my beginner riders out there before we get on the road. So yes, right now we're gonna be recording a video like we are a beginner, like we're a beginner. All right, I'm just trying to make a thumbnail. All right, guys, well, anyways, I'm gonna go over a few things before we hop on the bike. I'm not gonna take much time of your guys' time at all, so don't worry. I'm just gonna go through a few basics before we ride. I know the last ride I waited to land, but this time I'm gonna just go over a few things before we start off riding, because if we're a beginner and we're getting used to our bike still and we're just learning how to ride, maybe this is our first time riding, we want to know a few things before we ride. So here's your power switch, on, off, simple. This will be your horn down here. That's your horn. This right here is the start ignition. So you push down to that and you start the bike like that. I'll show you guys how to do that in a little bit. Here's your lights, your dimmer, your brights, or your bright, or your dimmer, and then your brights right here. So up is your brights. See here, you got blue light that goes down, and then down is your regular lights. And here's the key, where the key goes in right here. This is where the key goes in. You turn it, simple, just you got the key, stick it in ignition, should smoothly slide in, no problem. Turn it to on, and bam. Here's your shifter. Right here is your shift lever. Down is first gear, up is second gear, up is third, up is fourth, up is fifth, and then down is fourth, down is third, down is second, down is first. And then when you park, you pull the clutch in and you pull up halfway, and that's neutral. So there goes the gears for you guys. And then on this side, guys, you got your back brake right there. Always have that foot on the back brake, somewhat covering the back brake. And with that being said, guys, we went over the basics on, which I have is Kawasaki Z400. You guys ask, is this exhaust stock, or is this the one that it came with, or is it aftermarket? This would be an aftermarket exhaust. I bought this one myself and I installed it myself. It sounds great with the bike. And with that being said, guys, if you're a first rider and you're learning how to ride a Kawasaki or a motorcycle, this video is the video for you. Let's go. So we're gonna hop on our bike. We got a car coming. I don't know why there's a car coming back here, because it says clearly no parking loading zone, no parking loading zone, but down there it says no traffic through. So I don't know what this dude's doing, but we're gonna get on the bike. Let's start it up. Come on, man. In order to start it, you're gonna want to switch down on the ignitions, pull your clutch in, and then you're gonna push the ignition in, or the starter right there, and it starts right up. Down, first gear, as you guys see, and let's now take off. Make sure we're recording still. We're going on 4 minutes. All right, that's fine. We're just gonna go on a short little ride. Like I said, if I was a beginner, this would be what we're doing. Is just gonna go on a short ride. We're still getting used to the bike because we're a beginner ride. gonna do, guys. We're just gonna go on a short little ride, like we're a beginner, get used to the bike, and I'm pretty much gonna be a beginner with you guys. So I'm here to help my beginner riders. Look at that sun. That sun is in my eyes. It's bright. You guys want to hear that exhaust? You want to hear the exhaust? She sounds nice. It's a Leo Vince exhaust. It sounds beautiful. Come on, buddy. Come on, lady. Now your guys' shifting might not be as smooth as mine, but that's okay, no stress. As the time goes on, the more you ride, the more rides you ride, the better you'll get. So from now on, you can only get better, which is good. So don't stress if you're shifting. It's not like mine. Remember, I've been riding for 10 plus years. So sound like mine. I have a lot of experience in riding, and like I said, practice makes perfect, and you guys will get better every day you ride. We're gonna take a ride down towards town. Just a little towards town, do a little probably like a video. I'll make a decent video for you guys. I saw that you guys liked the other beginner's ride so much, I had to do another one for you guys. And like I said in the beginning of the video, we went into a little more deeper details on the bike. Especially if you're a beginner rider, this can help you. And if you want to see town, then yeah, stay here with me. cut through the stores right now, but we're gonna get on the main road. But instead of going left on this main road and then hit the traffic and go left again, I'm gonna go left here, dodge the traffic, and then get onto the main road. What are we doing here, guys? So yeah, let's cut through Myers real quick, and then I'm gonna take you guys out on the main road so you can hear me shift. And like I said, I've been riding for 10 years plus, so this is not gonna sound how you guys shift, but that's okay. Like I said, practice makes perfect, but I just wanted you guys to hear how a proper way to shift sounds. See how long our ride's going on. Going on 13 minutes, perfect. Got a few more minutes. I'm about to hit the main road right here too. This ride will be posted on Monday, I believe, if I'm correct. If I'm correct, it'll be posted on Monday. Because I think I already got Saturday and Sunday's ride recorded, so... To tell me, buddy. If you think you can ignore those speed bump signs and act like you didn't see them and go flying like 10 miles per hour even through here, oh man, your exo is gonna be, yeah. Woo! Unless you're in like a Dodge Ram or a big like truck with a 4x4 suspension on there. But if you're just going in like a little car or SUV, you know, these speed bumps will get you. These suckers could be like jumps. That's how they're made. they made them so you have to slow down. Like, they're not like those nice big smooth long ones. No, these ones you gotta slow down for. But I don't blame them. Like, people should slow down for the big long ones. The smooth ones, they should still slow down, but you know. Alright, let's hit the main road so you guys hear the proper way to shift. So you guys can hear how it sounds. Like I said, you're not going to start off shifting like a pro like me. I've been riding for 10 plus years and it's just not going to happen. Practice makes perfect. But I just want to show you guys what it sounds like when somebody says been riding for a long time, shifts right. And after this, I'm going to end it because we're going on like 60 minutes. Come on, man. Fifth gear in there, right there. We got all the way in fifth gear on that. You see it? Did you see how smooth that sounded? How clean that sounded? Like I said, guys, practice makes perfect, so no stress. You know, it's all right. Once in my lifetime, I was a beginner rider too. I'm just doing this to help all my beginner riders. Or if you're looking to get a bike and you want to get a quick little advice, you know. Videos for you guys. That's why I'm doing this. I love everybody so much. You guys are truly amazing for being out there and supporting me. So that's why I'm doing this. I want to support you guys too and get some good piece of information. I want to be able to help you be a better rider. And you also got to be 360 when you're riding. I'm constantly looking behind me in my left hand right here. I'm constantly looking in front of me, looking to the side of me. I'm 360 at all times. You might not see it, but I am. Because you can never trust anybody out there, you know? You always got 360 like you're a ghost on a bike. Like, you got to be well around of your surroundings, or be well aware of your surroundings. Let's see what we're going on. 16 minutes now? For sure. We'll end the video up there. But I hope this video helped all my beginner riders, guys. Or if you just started riding like a week or two ago or even a month ago and you're, you know, I still consider yourself a beginner rider. But I'm just making this video to help you guys. I know the last video that I did not cover up as much stuff as I did in this video, but I really wanted to go deep into details in this video to give you guys the most help they can get. And hopefully this video does just as good as the last one, if not better. first. Shift up to second. Make sure you hit that turn signal or else it's going to stay on. Just push it in and it'll cancel it. And now I'm going to pull over right up here. Shift down in first. Pull up here, and the ride. Alright, so you're gonna pull your clutch in, you're in first gear, you got your clutch in, your stop, you're gonna go up halfway, just a little, just feel that, just lightly, there, bam, neutral, and then you can let off your clutch. And with that being said, guys, if you're a beginner rider, I hope this video helped you guys. I saw the first video that I made for my beginner riders. It got so much traction that I had to do a second one with a little more details in it for you guys. I love y'all so much. Thank you for supporting me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. It is getting cold out. The winter is coming, but we'll do what we can do until we can't ride no more, and then we'll figure something out. Peace.